What if the moon suddenly disappeared? It happens in silence. No explosion, no light, no warning. One moment, the moon is there, bright, steady, ancient, and the next, it's simply gone. No debris, no fading. Just vanished. At first, no one notices. It's mid afternoon in North America, a cloudy night in Europe, and early morning in parts of Asia. Skywatchers and astronomers are the first to raise alarms. Telescope feeds go black. Live streams of the waxing crescent cut to static. In observatories around the world, operators check systems, rerun diagnostics, and search for interference. The moon is missing, and no one knows why. Within an hour, it hits the news. People step outside to look for themselves. There's no eclipse, no celestial event, just empty space where the moon should be. Conspiracy theories ignite like wildfire. Some claim it's a government weapon test. Others whisper about alien abductions or cosmic retribution. But in the halls of science, something colder stirs, the realization that the moon's absence will not be poetic. It will be catastrophic. The first signs are subtle. Tides, which follow the moon's gravitational pull like a cosmic dance partner, begin to misstep. Coastal waters retreat or swell unpredictably. Marine ecosystems are thrown into confusion. Crabs emerge too early. Coral reefs begin bleaching from the sudden disruption. Within 24 hours, tidal cycles collapse completely. Low tides become stagnant. High tides no longer surge. Fishermen find dead zones where vibrant ocean life once flourished. Meanwhile, Earth's rotation begins to change. The moon has always acted like a counterweight, stabilizing our axial tilt. Without it, Earth begins to wobble. At first, it's only measurable by satellites and delicate instruments, but over weeks and months, the planet's axis begins to drift. Seasons distort. Winters lengthen in some hemispheres. Summers intensify in others. The northern lights, once confined to polar regions, creep toward the equator. Ancient forests feel alien under unfamiliar sunlight angles. Animal behavior shifts. Nocturnal creatures lose their rhythm. Sea turtles, who've used moonlight to find the sea for millions of years, wander in confusion. Birds delay migrations, unsure of the seasons. Wolves howl at nothing, their instincts caught in a loop. In remote regions, biologists record a quiet panic spreading across the animal kingdom. The moon was more than a companion. It was a compass. Then comes the emotional toll. Humanity, even in its science-driven age, still looks skyward with longing. The moon has anchored myths, calendars, and poetry. Lovers once timed confessions by its phases. Artists built entire movements around its glow. Now, the night feels emptier, colder. Mental health professionals report a spike in anxiety and insomnia. Something primal in the human psyche misses that familiar white disk. It is like losing a heartbeat we didn't know we were listening to. In cities, light pollution no longer competes with moonlight. The stars shine brighter, but lonelier. Some people stare up at the blank sky and cry. Others light candles in their windows, symbolic moons to fill the void. Governments begin investing in artificial tide generators, orbit-stabilizing satellites, and massive lunar replacement light fixtures. Moon 2.0 becomes a trending topic, with billionaires racing to launch reflectors into orbit. But nothing they build can truly replace the gravitational anchor the moon provided. Earth is drifting, its rhythms broken. A year after the disappearance, storms have grown worse. The wobble in Earth's tilt brings unpredictable weather patterns. Crops fail in once stable regions. Snow falls in deserts. Monsoons strike cities unprepared for their arrival. A new branch of climate science emerges, devoted solely to modeling a moonless Earth. Their predictions are grim. In deep space, telescopes continue searching, not for the moon itself. Most scientists agree it either collapsed into a quantum singularity or was removed by an unknown force. But for signs that oath, our moons, around other planets, are vanishing too. So far, nothing. Just Earth, a lonely anomaly in a quiet solar system. And yet, Amid the loss, something strange happens. A new generation is born that never knew the moon. To them, stories of the silvery disk that lit the night seem mythical, like tales of Atlantis. Poets begin to write about its absence rather than its presence. A child, staring at the blank sky, sketches a round, glowing shape and shows it to their parent. "What is that?" the parent asks softly. "The moon," the child replies. "I saw it in a dream." Perhaps, one day, humanity will rebuild something in its place, a luminous memory hung in orbit, to remind us of what was lost. Until then, Earth spins on, wobbling slightly, a little more chaotic, a little more quiet, carrying the memory of a missing moon and the mystery of where it went.